Hi guys.
Hi guys. This is my daddy.
I'm Big Willie, and this is my son.
And we gonna
What is your name? Tell me your name, bud.
Willie.
Yeah.
And we doing dump trucks today because my daddy told me we gonna do Rolling Pins later.
Yeah. So we're doing dump trucks now. Look, we have this doing jump. Say what's that, bud? Deer.
Dump truck.
Yeah, but it's called, the brand is Deere. John Deere. That's Deere.
Deal.
Okay, Deere. All right. So listen. So all right. Well, so what are we gonna pick up? What are we gonna? Let's just get something to put in there. Let's see how it works. See, it opens up like this, and okay. So what are we gonna put in there? All right. Let's put this in there.
With blocks.
Okay. If I beat you, you gotta give me a hug. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put all these blocks in this truck. See how much can it hold? All right, ready?
Okay.
Set, go. No, why you cheating?
No.
Good boy. What's he doing? What's he doing?
No.
Why you cheating? See, it's cheating.
No.
You know, right? All right, come on. All right, now
We have to dump it.
All right.
And how many blocks can hold there?
I don't know. We're gonna see. Like, this is what it is, you guys. We're gonna see how much blocks this can hold. You ready?
Ready, set, go.
Go. You got more. Okay. Oh, I dropped one, but it held all of it, bud.
Yeah.
All right. But so this truck can hold, okay, a lot of blocks. So let's see. Let's go pick up Mr. Who is this? What bear is this?
Joe.
So now this is Joe, Mr. Joe. Now let's see, can the truck pick up Mr. Joe? Hey, I need a ride. Can I catch a ride with you?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Put me. Help me! I can't get. I can't get up.
I can help you.
Oh, thank you. All right, I need a ride. I need a ride.
Okay.
Can you take me?
Yeah.
Take
what
me
do you want?
Take me over here. That's it. That's all I want to go right here.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right.
Okay.
All right, now drop me off. Thank you for so much for the lift.
Stop.
All right, so this John Deere truck was able to hold a bear. Okay, now what else what else can we put in this truck?
Cars.
Cars.
Yeah.
Where are the cars at? I don't see no cars.
Maybe books.
Books.
Yeah.
Well, where are the books at, Alex?
Maybe this.
Okay. All right. Okay, put the ball in there. All right. Now put something else in there. It's able to hold the ball, you guys. What else? What else you want to put in there? Ooh. All right. Let's put these in there. All right. Come on. Get down. All right. What else we can put in there? What else we can put in there, bud? What else can we put in here? Move. Oh, yeah, what else can we put in here?
Phone.
I don't know. Let me see. Okay, well, the John Deere. This is a John Deere truck. What is this truck called, bud? But what is it? Look at the camera. What's this truck called?
Deer.
A Deere, yeah, Deere truck. It's a dump truck. So you guys, this is. So do you think the kids should go out there and buy? The parents should go buy it. Come here, over here, bud. Over here. Do you think the parents should go out here and buy it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you like the truck?
Yeah, but you just bring it for me.
Huh?
Did you just bring it for me?
Yeah.
But can we try it outside?
Try outside.
Yeah.
No, not this video session, but not this video. But so tell them, say, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Tell them.
Subscribe.
Say it, but don't forget
Don't forget to
to
subscribe
to the
to the
Shannon family.
Shannon family.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. No, I'm gonna do it.